interviews. We already got
I'm looking for a eater, babe. I'm trying to live with you.
You already know, man. It's your boy, Make More Money, and we are with us standing all business on the road this time. You feel me? We out here doing street interviews.
Word too.
I'm with my boy
Kelvin. This is like the street talk, you know what I'm saying? Public interviews. We gonna get down to it. The wildest questions ever.
Wildest questions.
Turn left.
But to let y'all know, man, make sure y'all fucking like, subscribe, and do all that good shit. We even got their podcast. Make sure y'all watch that shit too. Fuck's you talking about?
Bro, you can follow those on Standing on Business on TikTok, Instagram, and IG. That's the same thing.
And now we're out. We on the strip for a grip, bro. We walking straight down there, go to the tavern. I'm gonna explode that ass. I'm here with
Snake Will.
them shit is busting.
Oh God.
Oh God.
You're high?
Snagging that
Man, I'm drinking so on an empty stomach. I gotta put some on this bitch. What you be drinking? Oh, right now I'm drinking 1800 and a little bit of Jose.
Alright, my question is, you might as well come.
You said Don Julio? Don Julio's cousin. That's what Jose.
You said Don Julio's cousin.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's the wildest shit you ever did?
My mama might see this.
She ain't gonna see this.
She ain't gonna see that. Don't tell your mama. Don't tell your mama at all. The wildest thing I ever did. Damn.
She got that demon face on.
I don't know. I had a threesome. I had an outrageous threesome. It was a little spicy because they had got mace before, and it was bad. It was real spicy. Everybody got evil mace, and it was fucked up. It was fucked up. That's probably why I ever did though. Oh my God. I need to see this. What's your page? I gotta.
So while you're here, I'm about to ask you the question.
I'm chilling. Listen, on my tongue. We are here because we're looking for the niggas. The niggas ain't shit out here.
Hey y'all, she said niggas is not shit. Me personally, fellas, we wouldn't let that slide.
Birthday run. No,
It's my bitch's birthday, y'all know.
It's her birthday.
The bitch drunk as motherfucking so.
She look more looking than y'all.
She don't even live right now.
I think she did.
She gonna
Hey, don't post this, alright?
We all lit.
Yeah. What's that? I'm looking for a eater, babe. I'm trying to live with you. The wildest thing I ever motherfucking did. Hey, it's Tick, you know. Oh, the wildest thing I ever did was
Oh Lord.
made a fake page act like a different bitch.
That is normal.
That's for a nigga that I was talking to, but fuck that nigga.
So you was talking him?
From the back of me.
Period.
I got a question now.
I like your
wait.
What's your zodiac sign?
Scorpio, baby.
Yes. I knew she was a Scorpio.
I'm sorry, but like,
she was a Scorpio.
I gotta ask this question. I gotta ask this question. I'm gonna try to wait for her. I'm trying to let it slide though. Give me a quick second.
Yes. Period.
Can I ask your question? Was he doing the stalking? Was he doing the stalking?
No, okay, so boom, like, homeboy was like, you applying that pressure, so I'm like, okay, let me see what the, yeah, so, I did some little hoe shit, I ain't gonna lie.
What'd you do?
You wanna get into details? I don't know.
You might as well. I mean,
No.
we already deep into this. You might as well.
Alright, so, like, yeah, like, the nigga, you know, boom, Brody went in my room, snooping and shit. Why you in my room? My nigga. Yeah, so, boom. Nigga started tweaking out and all that. He took fussy about, bust my window. Bust my window for what? We just met 2 weeks ago. Why you doing all that? You know.
So she basically saying she crazy, y'all. You better stay. You better watch out, y'all.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You know, Scorpio's the best sign on God.
Cat.
Virgo.
Scorpio's the best sign on God. Come get you a Scorpio.
Cat. I'm a Pisces.
Virgo.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Look, we Pisces. We cool people. You know
Yeah,
what?
fuck that. Fuck a Pisces on me. Me and Pisces bump head real bad. Anyways, come get you a Scorpio, baby.
That's because wait.
No, fuck that.
No.
Fuck that. You know what Sexy Red said? I'm looking for it, baby. I'm trying to leave with you.
I gotta ask, what kind of Pisces? Was he a March Pisces or was he an April Pisces?
I don't give a fuck. Fuck all these zodiac signs. Come get you a Scorpio.
I think you did.
When your birthday?
March 18th.
How much?
I'm tall. I'm a cut right through.
All right, so the question is, what is the wildest thing you ever done?
The wildest thing I've ever done.
Y'all are so beautiful too.
Getting money. I don't know, yo. Thank you so much.
Money is the wildest
Wildest thing I ever did. Yeah, I having a kid. You got a baby? Honestly, I agree.
I'm a boy.
8 months strong. I didn't want no kid. That ain't something I wanted to do. That's your something. Is your kid on your arm? Nah, this is my brother.
What do you want to do?
I wanted to be. I think she did. I think she did what she wanted to do.
Yeah, I do the mom shit. I do the mom shit.
And that's all that matters, boo. That's all that matters.
That's not the wildest thing she's done.
What's she done? What's the wildest thing she done?
Be a bonus?
How old are you?
That's a good answer.
21.
That's a good answer. Me personally, that was the best answer I've ever heard a woman say that evening. Everybody else was just drunk or I just wilding. But her answer was like really like, okay, why are you single? Like I gotta ask, like, why are you single? You too fine to be looking single. You ain't your sister. Come on, man.
Everybody can't do that.
There's not a lot of 21-year-olds that really take care of their kids. So you can tell that she take care of her kids.
And then she didn't even tell y'all she's a guardian of her 16-year-old. She's really doing shit for real.
At 21?
At 21, with her own 1-year-old.
Bro.
Black women need love too.
What's the wildest shit you ever done?
He like he take bitches' keys.
I wouldn't let me personally.
You had sex in the church.
Yeah. Wow. This man really said he done it in the church. Me personally, I couldn't let that slide.
Yeah, okay.
All right, you already know it's your boy. Make more money. I'm here with
Tyler.
and
Tasha.
all right. So, question is, what is the most wildest thing you ever done?
This is my auntie. Go ahead, girl. Auntie. You were still grew up with the wildest thing, like the furthest? That's it.
How was it?
I mean, it was decent.
It was decent. Would you ever do it again?
We're gonna go watch that show with right here. Oh yeah, she did really good. I sucked both before.
Oh, girl, that's
No.
good.
Okay.
Like, what?
I mean, I'm not embarrassed. I just don't know all these people.
It's good. Would you ever do it again?
Yeah, I would. I would.
Hey yo.
Oh, girl, you ain't wrong.
Me personally.
How are you? Like, what?
I'm talking to him.
Have you ever cheated on somebody?
No, hell no. I don't do that shit. Yes, I do. I cheat all the time.
Yo, Auntie really said I cheat. I cheat all the time. She was confident in that answer. Dang, y'all. Me personally, I just want to let that slide.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Auntie said she cheats all the time.
I do. I cheat all the time. You know what? You know what her mom told me? My grandma told me. She said, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Because that's
You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm here with Juan. So Juan, our question is, what's like the craziest shit a chick has ever done to you? Craziest shit that a chick has ever done to you?
Yo, bro, I ain't gonna. That's kind of crazy though. So basically, bro said that his girl fucked her old cousin, bro. That's the Alabama shit I be talking about. Like, y'all nasty as fuck, bro. It is what it is.
Wait, she fucked her cousin? Yeah, they were everybody too. They grew up together. Bro, she was fucking her cousin, bro. That's weird. That's an Alabama. Tight shit. Yo, what the fuck?
It's your boy making more money. I'm here with
Again, my boy.
Kanan LaCassie. Tristan Wall.
Hello, Regio.
All right, y'all. The biggest question is, what is the most extreme thing you've ever done?
Extreme what?
What's the most extreme thing you've ever done?
Fuck the floor.
Oh, how was that?
Ain't good.
Ain't good?
Hey, you know that.
Hey, been with a 300-pounder, bro. That bitch popped my air mattress and left me on the floor.
How about you?
I skydived in Port A, Corpus. About shit my pants, bro.
Lame. Probably take drugs in Bahamas.
You got some right now?
Nah, I don't.
Dang.
I'm good. Where they at, bro?
All right, I'm here with. And, all right, what is the wildest thing you ever done?
I don't really do a lot of stuff for real. I guess like I've done like bungee jumping.
Okay,
Like,
how was that?
it was scary, but it was fun. I'm like an adrenaline junkie, so
Okay. All right.
where's the rest? I got my butt ate first.
It don't matter what it is. It don't have to be
Shit. I fucked at a party.
How was that?
It was okay. It was shit.
It was chill.
It was
Daytime or nighttime?
It was in the morning. Somebody was in the building.
What's your name? Haley. What's your name?
Liana.
Okay, what was your question?
What's the wild thing you doing?
I am about 2 cents in. You already know it's your
Just like
boy.
my mama.
Listen,
Bro, y'all see the way she looking at me? She want me.
you said you were Taurus.
Yeah.
What's your name?
You a Taurus? Bro, Tauruses are the most. I'm a Pisces. I'm a Pisces. But me personally, Tauruses are the most over aggressive women I've ever seen, bro. I'm not me personally. I'm sorry, but like y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go.
I ain't taking no offense to it. It's your personal opinion, but in reality, like, I mean, we are aggressive, you know, but it's a bull, like, and it's a reason for the aggression. So what was you doing for somebody to be aggressive?
I wasn't doing nothing. Me personally, all I do all day is go to work, do
No, you did something. We don't do that for no reason.
Yes, y'all do.
No, we don't.
No, I swear y'all do.
I swear we don't. What was you doing? Did you say something?
What?
Tell them about how Tauruses are.
Oh nah, bro. Let me see that. Let me see that. Bro, Tauruses, bro. They ain't that, bro. So I'm here with.
My name's Taylor.
I ain't gonna lie, you mad beautiful.
Thank you.
So my question is to you, what's like the craziest shit you ever seen? Better yet, what's the wildest shit you ever done? You never keyed somebody's car?
No, I've never kissed somebody's car.
You never just beat a nigga up for no reason?
Okay, so actually, no. Because one time, I guess, me and my friends, we got some of that window tint stuff and we did all over somebody's car because he cheated on me.
Damn, that is fucking wild. So she drew dicks on her ex-boyfriend car because he was cheating on her. Couldn't be me. Waking up in the morning, I would have been pissed.
Listen. You already know what your boy make more money. I'm here with you.
Kelvin, you know what I'm saying?
And listen, that was the best thing ever. I'm telling you, I'm gonna watch the whole thing.
Bro, watch the whole fucking thing, like start to finish. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, and do that whole good shit. We gonna tune in for the next episode. We gonna even do even more. But yeah.
Kelvin, to end it out, who's standing on?
We standing on business.